Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series has had quite the glow-up over the years. Think back to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, with those soft, round corners. It was sleek, it was friendly, it almost felt like a phone you could trust with your secrets. Then came the S21 Ultra, same vibe, nothing too wild. But when the S22 Ultra dropped, Samsung said, "Nah, let's get aggressive." Suddenly, we had sharp, boxy corners that made the phone look futuristic and powerful, like a little metal skyscraper in your hand. Problem was, it also felt like holding a mini brick that wanted to stab your palm. Cool look, not exactly the comfiest daily driver. That sharp corner look carried through the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. But by the time we hit the S25 Ultra, Samsung finally listened to the people complaining about hand cramps. They rounded those corners back out, and surprise, it actually felt good to hold again. Honestly, it gave me iPhone 16 Pro Max vibes, since Apple leaned heavy into the curvy design too. Now for the S26 Ultra, Samsung's apparently going all in on comfort. According to Ice Universe, all four corners are getting even rounder. The goal? A phone that feels smoother, more natural, and way less like a weapon if you grip it too tight. And yeah, some people are already saying Samsung's just copying Apple, but let's be real. This feels more like Samsung finally focusing on making the Ultra pleasant to use. But the tweaks don't stop there. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be thinner, lighter, and just easier to handle overall. The trade-off? It might also be slightly taller and wider, so while it slims down in one way, it grows in another. Kind of like hitting the gym. Yeah, you get leaner, but you also bulk up. We'll have to wait for renders to see how it all comes together. And the display, it's getting a small bump going from 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra to 6.89 on the S26. The trick isn't in making the phone bigger, it's in those slimmer bezels. Basically, more screen real estate without making the device unmanageable. That's the sweet spot. Put it all together, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be another solid entry. Rounded corners, thinner body, lighter feel, more comfort, and of course, all the power you'd expect. If Samsung pulls this off, that'll be 3 years in a row of Ultras that actually deliver. Now I gotta ask, are you team boxy corners, or are you glad Samsung's bringing the curves back? Hit me with your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.